Guys, on my back, and number 2. Oh, look, a sniper rifle. What's that sound? Yeah, the deal's on. Zoom in. Shoot those guys on the sofa. Alright. I'm putting this sniper rifle back because I just found a machine gun. Put it by there. Machine gun, baby. Right. That's it for part 2. This is my machine gun. And that's it. Part 2 is out. See you later, recruits.